Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol iBio. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, some updates here definitely need to be made here. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning, just get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now and from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First key update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $1.50 going to be one of the newest areas of resistance. In the very near term, keep an eye on that purple line there. The price is first going to have to get up above there, which is the 50-period moving average. But more so kind of just from the overarching, keeping things as cut and dry as possible. The key level to watch from the resistance side of things, again, is $1.50 for the regions discussed. And then as far as levels of support, nothing fancy here. It's all about that gap close location down there. I'm not saying the gap will close or anything like that. My point is just that is the very cut and dry level of support to watch going forward. So it's a pretty straightforward chart right now at this point in time. Just key level of resistance up there at $1.50, key level of support down there at that gap close at $1.18. And now going forward, not necessarily just in a Friday, but in the next week too. Just a question of which way is it ultimately going to break. So grab some popcorn, grab some Sour Patch Kids, and let's see what happens with this one going forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.